So my next guest today is Charles Park from a company called Nano Jet. Nano Jet is represented here in Mexico by SmartSol, and I'm joined by Charles Park here. So welcome, Charles. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Trevor.
Okay. So Nano Jet's a Korean company, and as the name implies, you manufacture a range of dispensing systems. For the benefit of our viewers who are not familiar with you, can you just give us a quick overview of the systems that you offer?
Sure. Nano Jet is a company in Korea. They established it in 2019. So they have around 6 years of experience in this market for the dispensing solutions.
Yeah.
And they are a well-growing company, sold over 800 units in short time period.
It's very
So
short.
their revenue
It's like
is
2 a week.
Yeah. Their revenue is growing up in this way. So here in Mexico, we have around 40 units sold already. So for some of the automotive market and the Korean companies like LG
Yeah.
and Hyundai Kia Automotive, and also for many different EMS companies. So
Okay.
and Nano Jet has linear motor in XY gantry system, unlike our competitors. So they can provide accurate and high speed, and then the quality assurance.
Right. Okay. And you did say they're linear motor driven systems, are they?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're going to get the accuracy and the speed there. So your key valve though really is your Nano Jet system, which has great accuracy. So what is special? What is different about the Nano Jet valve that you have?
Yeah, so Nano Jet major valve system is the jetting valve. So we use piezo technology, and it's very common in this industry for the jetting system. But Nano Jet has their own technology integration on jetting valve that they can handle up to very small volume, and micro volume control is possible up to 10 micron.
Really?
Depending on viscosity, but minimum is 10 micron, and it allows to get rid of, eliminate the flashing issues, splashy issues, and we can keep our area very clear edges.
All right. So you can reduce the splashing, and you can handle really low viscosity
correct.
materials.
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay.
For example, conformal coating always having an issue for the splashy and then contamination of the conformal material in keep our area. So recently we completely finished evaluation in one of the EMS companies.
Yes.
That they used to have 6 people for masking process.
Yes, masking is very time consuming and slow, and so you really want, if you can get good control of your valves and your process, then you can eliminate a large part of that.
So in the end, they eliminated 18 people from the line.
Wow.
So their turnover is really fast.
Yes.
So through that Nano Jet specific valve systems, they eliminate 18 people from the line, and they have quality assurance because there is no splash at all.
Right.
So it was the good introduction of the EMS companies.
Interesting, but I mean, so that's your obviously your main valve. You've also got other coating valves, and
correct.
I believe you're also working on a couple of new ones, but for new applications for automotive. Can you talk a bit about that?
Yeah, actually, Nano Jet has different type of valve systems. Major is the jetting valve, and we do have regular spray valve system, and high precision valve spray valve system, needle valve system, the air squeezing valve system, and screw valve system. And then the new product is we do like the 2-part mixing, the potting, and another one
at the head or in the tanks.
Yes,
both.
both.
You do the mixing at the head.
Yes, extraction from the tank, then we mix through the valve.
Okay.
In specify the ratio, like 4:1 or like 10:1, something like that.
Okay.
So one of the new product that we introduced here in Mexico is CIPG, FIPG. It's basically gasket sealing for the automotive devices like ECU, braking control systems.
Okay.
So they have gasket sealing process to cover up their device, so that they can protect from the moisture or the dust.
Yeah.
So Nano Jet has a solution for doing the gasket sealing through the silicone sealings. It cost reduction is like 10 times cheaper because one gasket sealing with the plastic is around $1.
Well, that certainly sounds like a very innovative system, and you've obviously had a lot of success already with your Nano Jet dispenser. So I think that's very interesting. Obviously, if if SmartSol is picking you up and deciding to distribute your product, it must be good.
Yes.
So I wish you every success with it, and thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
Thank you for inviting me.